Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a shopping list in the MyNeat Diary application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see 3 lines. Press on it. And here in this page you should just scroll down a little bit, which I already did, and you will find here the shopping list option. Just press on it. And if you want to make a shopping list, you can just press on the plus symbol in the bottom of your right corner, and here you can just add product or food, or you can just find and add food here. And you can just enter in the search bar and search up for food, or you can just add already existing food that you have used previously, and you can just enter here the weight and everything, and press on the check mark, and you have just added basically that item to your shopping list. And you can do like this basically with every other food that you want to add to the shopping list, like the cheese for example. Same thing, you just enter here the amount that you want to have. You can just press on check mark and you can see that the new item once again appeared in your shopping list. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.